Hi, I'm Andrew Guck, your local agent in Carcassonne, and today I have the pleasure of showing you this beautifully exquisite house located in the village of Bise-Minervois. Straight upon entering this house, you'll see that fine attention has been paid to every single bit of detail on the property, such as the chandeliers that you'll find throughout the entire property, the marble flooring. You'll see the crown molding throughout the entire house has been finely decorated and crafted, all the way down to the fine details of this crystal ball here sitting on the staircase. And everything that you see in this property, everything from this beautiful church bench to the stained glass windows can all be part of the sale of this property and are included in the total price. And here we're into the second sitting room of the property, and you'll see just upon entering this room what character this property has. It has a soul, a really unique feeling to it when you enter, and all the details from this beautiful marble fireplace all the way down to these original beautiful tiles here that you see. In this sitting room, much like the other, it's elegant, bright, very luxurious, and it's a perfect place to curl up on the couch and read a book or watch TV. Here we're in the kitchen of the property, which has been fully renovated recently and is very contemporary, has more of a modern feel to it, which gives a lot of contrast to the rest of the house, which is more of an antique feel. There's a lot of storage spaces, a lot of areas to cook and clean and do everything that you need to do, and it would inspire any chef. The last room on this floor here is the dining room, which is perfect for entertaining guests, and you can have a minimum of at least 12 people in this table here to serve. And you have a direct access to the garden from the dining room here. Here we're in the magnificently manicured garden of this property, very luxurious, and it's more of Mediterranean style. Whether you like fig trees, magnolias, cactuses, or succulents, there's a little bit of everything, and has a lot of nice little areas to sit, relax, and enjoy, whether you like the sun or the shade, and has a very nice zen-like feel to it. As you know, in the south of France, it gets quite hot here, so here we have a swimming pool, perfect for cooling off on those hot summer days, where you can bask in the sun and enjoy a nice cocktail by the poolside. Isn't it gorgeous? Over here we have the living quarters of the owners of the house, and over here are the accommodations for your guests. Here we are on the balcony of this property. Hope you enjoyed the tour. We're going to end the tour here for this magnificent house. And if you have any questions, all the information you can find below here. And you can schedule a viewing. Reach out to me if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to give you a personalized tour of the property. And we'll see you here in the south of France.